it is very clear and obvious that many things that is happening in Africa is not only about religion. Sometimes it's about tribe. Sometimes it's about political interest. Sometimes it's about because Africans, the people that colonize the country, who colonize you, if your colony is Britain or France or any part in Europe, they have common goal, which is to make you believe in them and why they rip you apart. What these people have done is commendable to me, as long as it's something that will benefit their people, and they have seen the reason to fight and defend themselves. There's nothing to compare that. That should be the best way to go. Now, I would like you to tell me what you think about this, because it is a news that is very, very popular, and everybody is seeing the handwriting on the wall. Nigeria are still blindfolded. Imagine if Russia did not step up to defend this